Hey guys, how's it going? Alex K here. Welcome to Subtokyo. Today I'm heading to the conbini right now actually in order to try and get some special figures. There's a Ichiban Kuji going on at my local family mart, so I'm gonna go and try and see what I can get through that. Oh my god, I did it. I'm on my way home from the conbini right now, and this is my loot. I put the smaller ones in my Pokemon Echo bag, but as you can see, I have a box with me. I managed to get one of the figures. Oh, I'm so happy. Um, I dropped about 5,000 yen, so almost 50 bucks. I thought, it's kind of a gamble, but if I manage to get one figure, dropping 50 bucks along with all the other cool loot, then I think it's worth it. And lo and behold, I actually managed to get one, so super excited. It looked like there were maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 figures there. You have to draw them, of course, but my draw luck is usually terrible, so I usually end up going home with like a ton of like towels and keychains and stuff usually. But I think this is the first time ever that I've actually won a figure through Ichiban Kuji, so I'm stoked, and it's a character I like too, so I'm super happy. The other reason I'm super excited is the fact that I was able to actually try out those My Hero Academia Ichiban Kuji, because they've had like 2 or 3 within this year, I think, all at different convenience stores. But the last 2 times I tried to go, I didn't go like on the hour that it started. I usually went like in the afternoon or in the evening of the day it released, and like everything was gone at every conveni. I think like scalpers are going crazy and just going and buying them all up, not giving like normal people a chance to even try their luck at the Ichiban Kuji drawings. So those last 2 times I was like super bummed, because like it's day 1. I didn't even get to see the poster and anything up there. So like I checked the website, I looked at the comments, saw like generally what time the Ichiban Kuji start, and it seems like 10 o'clock is when it started, and I went in there at 9:50 some. The cards weren't even displayed, and then at the dot 10 o'clock they actually put the cards up, so I was able to grab one. I think I was 3rd in line, so pretty good. All right, I'm home now, and before I show you guys what I actually got, I want to go over what was actually available from the Ichiban Kuji. So here we have the website for the Ichiban Kuji I participated in, the My Hero Academia, the movie World Hero Mission Ichiban Kuji. As you can see, the figures are the spotlight. It's pretty crazy. They've been doing this a lot lately, where the top 4 or 5 prizes are all figures, which means if you get any of the A, B, C, D raffle tickets, then you win a figure. So A is Deku, B is Bakugo, fittingly, C is Todoroki, D is Endeavor, and then from down there there's a couple I guess lesser prizes, but every ticket gets you a prize. E is a tumbler. These are really cool. I actually didn't get any of these, which kind of bums me out, because I kind of really wanted one of these tumblers. But I guess this gives you an idea of what I did get. F is these canvas boards. I think you'll see how big they are in a bit. Actually, this is pretty close to actual size, I think. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. My screen's not huge either, but... And then G's are these rubber charms. Pretty cool looking. And then this one, you can't get normally. This is the Rasto One show, so whoever draws the last ticket automatically wins this one. So that's also a strat when trying to go for the figures. Alright, let's go over what I got. So I'm actually not going to be opening these on this video. I kind of want to save them for a stream and open them live. But I do want to go over which figure, because I didn't get more than one figure, but which prizes I actually got. Alright, so starting from the bottom, The G prize were the rubber straps, rubber charms, these things. On the back of the boxes are the different designs. I guess I can just show one. I haven't seen the movie, but of course I'm caught up with the anime, so having trouble focusing. So here it is, front of the box and the back of the box. All the designs from the movie version, but of course all the characters familiar from the anime. So it'll be interesting to see which ones I get. The next prize up the line are the F prizes, which are the canvas boards. These things. I think, yeah, they're about the size that I saw on screen, maybe a little bit bigger. But I actually got 4 of these, which actually isn't a bad thing, because I just hope I don't get any dupes. I mean, it's fine, but as long as they're all different designs, I can, you know, kind of display them side by side. Or I got 4, so I can make a square pattern. But yeah, like we saw on the website, these are all the different designs, or 12 different designs. So excited to see which ones I get here too. And let's not dilly-dally. So that was what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I drew 7 times, and my big prize. Which figure did I get? I managed to get Bakugo B prize. I'm pretty happy about this. Like I said, this is the first figure that I've won through Ichiban Kuji. But I think Bakugo was my second figure that I most wanted. I like Deku a little bit more, but I can't complain because this design is really cool. Check it out. I can't see my camera. There we go. So yeah, what's cool about this figure is it has a detachable headpiece so that you can actually put his mask and hood on. So that'll be cool to try out once I actually do open this box. But yeah, I'm just stoked that I actually got a figure. So this figure, 2 rubber straps, and 4 of these canvas boards, less than 5,000 yen, so about 40 bucks. So I think I got a good deal this time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know this was a little bit of a different video than usual, but if you're interested in seeing me open these up, and of course this figure, make sure to stay subscribed, because I'm going to plan to do a live stream where I do open these and show them off. So if you are interested in joining the YouTube membership, hit the join button below. It allows you to use the emotes during the live stream, and also get a badge next to your name. And of course it helps support Subtokyo, since of course the 40-50 bucks that I spent today came out of my pocket. So yeah, any support is helpful, but do join the sub club if you're interested. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Also, thank you to sub club members and Patreons listed right here. Your support is very much appreciated. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later.